580 in Harrisburg. Ladies and gentlemen, Ken Matthews. And it's great to see you. Hour 2 of the Rush Limbaugh Show. Thank you, Mr. Limbaugh and EIB team for the opportunity. And thank you for listening. It's an important time in history. I got to admit, it's a little overwhelming. When you look at all the disinformation out there, or just the ignoring of information. And I am in the battleground state of PA, which you know is one of the first. Of course, it was such a keystone. See what I did there? Because we're called the Keystone State. It was such a key to the election initially, and I think that's why the systemic, and I know that's a popular word with Democrats, everything is systemic. Everything is systemic. This is an actual case of systemic, connected, working in unison for a common goal. The way these votes were manipulated, thrown away, stolen, forged, and switched. And I am proud to say that we in Pennsylvania and a handful of great patriots in our assembly have moved the dial, much like they've done in Arizona and Nevada, Michigan, soon to be Georgia. It's just outstanding. And we should be proud, especially people in this audience, because we don't do violence. We don't burn police cars. We don't say, I think they stole the election. Hey, let's go loot the Target. Let's go loot Walmart. Let's attack a cop. We don't do that. We say, where can we get the most accurate information and evidence? Who can we present it to? What can we do constitutionally to save our constitutional republic? Just a quick reminder to everybody at New York Times and MSNBC, we're not a democracy. It's a very pretty word, and nobody says it prettier than Barack Obama, but we're a republic, a constitutional republic. That's why we're moving in the direction we're moving. Peacefully, passionately, focused. And say what you want, but I think we're winning because I am seeing most of the information that's coming out, not always in real time, but I'm seeing most of it because I don't watch CNN or MSNBC. Only for fun, for comedy. Let's go to Nancy. Nancy, I promise you'll be the first caller from Baltimore County, Maryland. Welcome to the Rush Limbaugh Show.
Baltimore County, Maryland, not Baltimore City. In the beginning of your show, you had mentioned that we don't